So wait, tell me your favorite gift again.
The kitchen and the Greasy Poppin' cookies.
Oh.
I like
What are they called? Greasy Poppin'?
No, they're Gracie.
Oh, Gracie.
Gracie, yeah. So that they're those and they're poppin'.
What's your favorite, Brenda?
I like this, and this, and this.
This, this, and this.
This and this.
Okay,
She's not done with her Legos.
do it now.
Do what?
Do what? I'm taping, please.
Do your Lego.
Oh, sorry.
So, was it a great Christmas, or is it going to be an awesome Christmas?
An awesome Christmas.
Because
those
they're
aren't
for
Dan
you.
and Angela's.
Those are your
Those are Morgan
guys'.
and Brenna's.
Why did you trick us?
It's
Because
more fun for trickery.
we wanted you to open them last.
Okay, that's not cool.
Rip them open.
Cereal.
Brenda got Captain Crunch.
Oh, this is your present.
Oh, mine's a box.
Morgan got Priority Mail.
Do I get to
tried
yours?
to try.
That peels.
Just watch your Legos, Brenna.
Hurry up.
I already finished.
No, Brenda, it's not cereal.
Always wanted.
Sissy, it's not cereal. Keep going. She said I'm already done.
I don't know if I can open this one.
Yeah, maybe you shouldn't have done that, Daddy.
Good. I didn't want it to be cereal.
Who is this from?
I don't know.
Sorry. Oh,
What'd you get, Morgan?
an iPad Mini.
What? An iPad Mini?
16 gigabytes. Is there anything else in here?
You got an iPad Mini?
That bag, Morgan.
That bag goes with it. That bag to Dan. John.
John. Oh my gosh. That's so cute. Thank you so much.
You got it, Brenna? I'm having a hard time
I
now.
wonder what Brenna got.
Now I don't need to save up for an iPod.
What'd you get, Brenna?
iPad Mini.
You got one too?
Score. Now I got an iPod and an iPad.
So it's an awesome.
Yes, it's an awesome Christmas. Now this is my favorite. And that.
Is my cake pink?
I'm gonna open it. I don't know.
Okay, I
Look
just
at
want you to
kitties
listen
on
to
it.
Legos, okay?
Okay, I'll finish my Legos and then I don't know.
What do you guys think?
This is the best Christmas ever.
This is the best Christmas ever.
I got a Monster High No School. I got it. This. I got that. I got it.
I was so jealous last year when Julia got her iPad Mini. I was just like,
All right. What do you say?
Doctor.
Dankeschön.
Bye.
Bye.